By watching this video, we are hoping you will get a better understanding of what to expect running up to and during your endpoint assessment. When you come to the end of your time on program, you must ensure you have been on program for at least 22 months. However, typically this apprenticeship standard takes 12 months. Completed all knowledge, skills and behaviours criteria, often known as KSBs. Completed any functional skill qualifications required. If you have gained this qualification or equivalent previously, you will not be required to do it again. You must have passed all the Level 5 Associate Diploma units except Unit 5C003, which you must complete during the Gateway period. You must provide your completed portfolio at Gateway with around 8 pieces of discrete evidence mapped holistically across the criteria, which can include workplace documentation and records such as policies and procedures, witness statements, annotated photos. You must not include reflective accounts or any methods of self-assessment. After you have completed all of these, you are now ready for Gateway. Gateway is a meeting scheduled for the very end of your apprenticeship program. This will involve you, your manager, and your assessor. During this meeting, you will discuss progress made and come to an agreement that you are working at or above the occupational standard and that you are deemed to have achieved competence in all areas. When all parties are in agreement, you will then be put forward for EPA. For this standard, you will be expected to complete and submit a 500-word presentation scoping brief as a part of the Gateway document that we will review and approve before confirming your booking. We ask that if you required any reasonable adjustments or if there is any important information you wish us to take into consideration during the EPA process, you should let us know at Gateway. There are 3 separate elements to the People Professional Level 5 EPA, and these are presentation and questioning, professional discussion supported by portfolio of evidence, and assignment 5C003. Let's take a look at what these elements involve and what you need to prepare for. Your presentation will be on your approved topic area and will demonstrate the KSBs mapped to this component. Your presentation should typically last 20 minutes. You should practice your presentation delivery to ensure it lasts for the amount of time given to this component. The presentation will be followed by a questioning session that will last 30 minutes. The assessor will ask you a minimum of 6 questions about the presentation and associated criteria. This element will be a structured discussion between the apprentice and the independent assessor to establish the apprentice's understanding and application of the knowledge, skills, and behaviours. The discussion will last 75 minutes with an increase of up to 10% at the independent assessor's discretion if you need time to complete your answer. The assessor will ask a minimum of 7 questions during the discussion. You and the independent assessor must have copies of the portfolio so you can both refer to it throughout the professional discussion. Assignment 5C003 is the final unit of the Level 5 Associate Diploma in People Management and must be completed post-Gateway. You will submit the assignment to your training provider by the end of week 6 of the Gateway period. Unit 5C003 can only be claimed once you have completed the other 2 endpoint assessment components. After you have completed all the elements, you will get your overall results within 10 working days. If you have to resit or retake any element, you must do so within 6 months of the fail notification. Please note that if it is just the one component that has failed, then it is just that one component that needs to be retaken. If you require any further information, please contact us. Good luck!